By end of this video, you will have a crystal clear understanding of what JDK, JRE and JVM are, how they fit together, and why they are essential for every Java developer. Ever wondered how your Java code transforms from a simple text into fully running program? It all comes down to these three components, each playing a distinct and vital role. Let's dive straight into what makes JDK, JRE and JVM unique, and why knowing the difference is a game changer for your development journey. JDK is a Java development kit. It offers tools which are required for development. For example, Java compiler, Java debugger, Java archive tool, that is jar, then Java disassembler for decompiling the bytecode, then document generator, and so on. These all tools are required only for the development and not execution of the Java program. JDK also has JRE, which is required for executing a Java program. So JRE is Java Runtime Environment, and it contains a Java virtual machine, that is JVM, which is heart of Java. JVM is key part of Java ecosystem responsible for executing Java programs. It offers some important features to Java such as platform independence. JVM allows Java programs to run on any device or operating system, that is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, without any modification to the code, so making the Java platform independent. This is achieved by converting Java code into bytecode, which the JVM can interpret and execute. Then JVM runs bytecode, so bytecode execution is another point. The JVM takes compiled .class files, that is bytecode, and interprets or compiles them into machine code that the host system's CPU can execute. Then JVM has JIT compiler, that is just-in-time compiler, to convert frequently used bytecode into native machine code at runtime. It improves performance. It also handles memory management part. So JVM handles automatic memory management via garbage collection, that is GC mechanism, which frees up memory by removing unused objects. Some of the major components of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, is class loader, which loads Java class files into memory. Then bytecode verifier, which ensures that code follows the JVM security and structural rules. Then it has execution engine, which interprets and executes the bytecode, and optionally using JIT compilation, that is just-in-time compilation. It has a garbage collector which manages memory and cleans up the unreferenced objects. Okay, so JVM is part of Java runtime environment, which includes additional libraries and components to run Java applications. So in summary, JVM is an engine that runs Java applications by translating bytecode into machine specific code, ensuring Java's write once and run anywhere philosophy. Okay, so to sum it all up, the JDK, JRE and JVM work together like a well-oiled machine. The JDK gives you the tools, JRE provides the environment, and the JVM runs your code. Understanding these components is key to mastering Java. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Happy coding, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.